In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit footers on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Let's start from your Squarespace dashboard. First, log into your account and head into your site. From there, open the website area so you're looking at your live pages. On any page, click Edit in the top left. This puts the page into editing mode and lets you access the footer from within the page itself. Now scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the footer, hover your cursor over that area, and you'll see an option to edit footer. Click that to open the dedicated footer editor. Remember, this is a global area. The footer you edit here appears across your entire site, so it's a great place for information like navigation links, contact details, social icons, and legal text. Inside the footer editor, you can add or modify content just like you would anywhere else in Fluid Engine. To add something new, click Add Block. You'll be able to choose from elements like text, images, buttons, or social links. Keep it focused and scannable. Short link lists, a concise tagline, and clearly labeled icons work best in this space. If you want to organize your footer into multiple rows or distinct areas, click Add Section. You can choose from pre-designed layouts or start with a blank canvas. Sections help you separate content, for example, a top row with navigation and a bottom row with copyright and policies. With Fluid Engine, layout is handled by dragging and resizing blocks directly on the grid. You can move items to align them, snap them into columns, and resize by pulling the corners. You don't need spacer blocks here. The grid and handles give you precise control over spacing and balance. Aim for clean alignment and consistent spacing so everything feels intentional. Each section has its own settings. Click the pencil icon to adjust things like background color, padding, and overall style. This is also where you can fine-tune the mobile layout separately. Because footer content can stack differently on smaller screens, take a moment to arrange blocks for mobile readability. Now, make sure links are large enough to tap and keep important items near the top. When you're happy with your design, click Done, then Save. Your changes will go live across all pages that use this site-wide footer. Give your pages a quick refresh and scan the bottom to confirm everything looks good. That's it. You've edited your Squarespace 7.1 footer with Fluid Engine, added the right content, organized it with sections, refined the design, and published it site-wide.